Hitman 2-2, this is Hitman 2-3. Hitman 2-3, 2-2, go ahead. Roger, hey, I got two unknowns moving along this berm that's over here to our right side. I can't see what they got going on, but they're acting kind of funny. Roger, checking.
O soroczny.
Już temat!
You've been cheated, oh, so blind. You laid it on the line. These twisted words of time, how your spirit shines. I wish that you were mine. I've been crawling. I know that I've been falling into your imagine no more tears dissolving all your fears. With tooth and claw we fight into this endless night. Yeah, lately I know that I've been crawling. I know that I've been falling into your
Yeah, you guys should be able to get out the glass and see a little bit better than we can from where we're sitting. Just keep your eyes on them.
No, ja.